Yes, hi, tell me.
So, ma'am, many people find company law very complicated and difficult to understand. So,
Correct.
how would you simplify the structure and functioning of the company?
Okay. So, the best way to understand any law is to compare it with something that you understand and like.
Yes.
Okay. So, what should we compare it with?
Cricket.
Alright, let's see if we can compare it to cricket. So, in cricket, you have a owner of a team.
Correct.
For instance, Neeta Ambani owns Mumbai Indians, or Shah Rukh Khan owns team, or Preeti Zinta owns team.
Yeah.
Who are they? They can be compared to a shareholder.
Yes.
So shareholders invest his money and purchase the shares of a company. So he invests in a company in hope of good returns. Similarly, all these people who are the owners of IPL team are investing in the IPL teams in the hope for good returns.
Correct.
Correct? So they are like shareholders. Then who do you have in cricket? Who is the next person? Coaches?
Yes, captains.
Coaches?
Yeah.
So board of directors can be compared to coaches. What do board of directors do? They are not on the ground implementing anything. They are the policy makers, the decision makers. They decide the strategy. Where is the company heading? Correct?
Correct.
So they are the decision makers, right?
Yes.
They are the brains of a company, right? So you can compare that with a coach. What does a coach do? A coach will decide how to strategize so that you will win the cricket match, right?
Yes.
So that is how a board of directors works. They decide what strategy to adopt. How will the company make money? How will the company go to greater heights? That is what a board of directors does,
Yes.
right? Then are the, as you said, the captains.
Yeah.
Captain, you can compare captain with a managing director. Now, Mukesh Ambani is the one who is implementing. The strategy is decided at the board of director level.
Yes.
But a managing director is the one who is taking the decision on site. He is taking the day-to-day decision. Supervisory control is of the managing director. So similarly, the way captain, when he is in the game, say Virat Kohli, he's there. He has to decide who to send next, which bowler to send, who will do the batting in what sequence. At that point of time, he has to take quick decision and make necessary adjustment as required at the time of the match.
Correct.
So similarly, this is what a managing director does, right?
Yeah.
And then you have the KMPs,
Yes.
you have CEO, CFO, right? And other players, employees of the company. Those you can compare with the players.
Yeah.
So they are the ones who will actually work together as a cohesive team to achieve what the board of directors has contemplated,
Correct.
right? So they are required, that team is required to actually make something, to realize what the owners want and what the management, the board of directors have decided, right?
Correct.
So this is how you can compare.
We can even compare players with employees.
Correct? We can compare players with employees, absolutely. Right. So what else can we compare in cricket?
Man,
How do we, what other concept can we understand?
What about penalties? They are more confusing too.
Yes. So see, there is a difference between penalties, fines and imprisonment. So if you see the entire Companies Act, you can divide the Companies Act into, say, 3 tranches.
Yes.
Either the Companies Act is telling you what is the procedure to be followed,
Correct.
or it is telling you that these are the compliances and disclosures to be made, or it is telling you that if you do ABCD things, they are absolutely wrong and you will face consequences. So there are penalties and there is fine and imprisonment. So there is a civil wrong and there are criminal offences,
Yeah.
right? So certain wrongdoings in the corporate laws, you will face penalties. Certain wrongdoings, you will face criminal consequences. So in cricket, let us compare that, right?
Yes.
What happened, like let's look at penalties first. Penalties are civil wrongs. They are comparatively lesser wrongs. They are not like something criminal which has been done. For instance, Virat Kohli was aggressively celebrating,
Yes.
because of which he faced certain penalties, right? So BCCI imposed 100% of his match fees as a penalty. Or I think somebody was charged for vaping. Who was the one who was charged for vaping?
Riyan Parag.
Riyan Parag, right. So Riyan Parag was charged for vaping. He was also charged some 25% of his match fees for vaping.
Yes.
Those are penalties,
Yes.
right? So that is not a criminal wrong. It is civil wrong, and there are civil consequences which involves penalties.
Yes.
Now let us look at criminal consequences,
Yeah.
right? In criminal consequences, who was arrested? There was a cricketer who was arrested. Who was he?
Shri Sant.
Shrishant.
Ah.
What was he arrested for? Spot fixing.
and betting case.
Spot fixing and betting. So, so this cricketer was charged for match fixing, spot fixing, and betting.
Betting.
Correct? He was arrested.
Yes.
Similarly, in company law, say for instance you defraud the creditors or you defraud the bankers. In that event, you will face certain criminal consequences. Right now, SFIO is investigating, say, Anil Ambani's alleged fraud of 13,000 crores. Right?
Yes.
Or else there are other large bank frauds which are being investigated by SFIO. Or investors have been duped. There's a Sahara case where there was a case where 30,000 crores have been taken away from investors.
Yes.
So all these are offences which result in certain criminal offences, and right now there's a SFIO investigation going on against them under the Companies Act. Right? So like that, in cricket you have certain cases where match fixing, betting has resulted in criminal consequences.
Even CSK.
Yes. Now that is a harsher punishment for a civil wrong.
Okay.
For instance, you have faced bans. The way SEBI has banned, I think, Drone Acharya,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
DIL. It has been banned for what has it been banned? Do you remember it?
Yeah. Misuse of IPOs.
Correct. So they used IPO proceeds and they misused it,
Yes.
for which they faced a ban from the stock markets by SEBI.
Correct.
Similarly, in cricket, you can compare it with bans. Who was banned? CSK was banned
Yes,
for
yes.
2 years. And I think Rajasthan Royals were also banned.
Yeah.
Raj Kundru faced a lifetime ban from cricket, from IPL team.
Yes.
So similar such cases have happened. And that's how, see, whatever you know, try to understand that and try to create certain pegs on which you understand certain laws. That will be the best case scenario where you will be able to understand a law, appreciate it and remember it beyond your examinations.
It is a very interesting and trendy topic to understand such a complicated subject like company law.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you all have any such more interesting topics for analogy, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.